In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation, and the right hand is going to have triads that are broken on the white keys. Everything's going to be on the white keys. Left hand is going to have octaves that are block. The right hand is going to have triads, but they're going to be broken. Now, I haven't decided how I'm going to break them. We're going to break them in a variety of ways. Maybe we're just going up the three tones. Remember, thumb 3, 5, could be C position, E position, D, A, G, wherever you want on the keyboard. So let's say I start on A, and I'm just going up the three tones. I'm going to be in the A octave here. They're going to move in the same fashion. So the Fs will go together, Gs will go together. Let's go back to A. Let's go to C, to D, to G. Low G. G, F, D, E, C, G, F, G. Now I could do other patterns. I could go down. This is the F position. Back to the F, F, E, F, D, D, A, G, F. I could go up and down. I'm in E, the E position. D position, F, E, D, F, G, etc. You get the idea. Now, I could, let's say, have the tones go down the chord and then hit my block octave. I could do something like this. And I'm going to move fairly quickly. The F position, D position, E position, C, A, G, A. So, might be something like this. Yeah, that's a great sound. I could start with the octave and then do the three tones going up. So I'm going to get something like this. Now, other ways to break this. Remember, I could do this. Okay. We also can separate out the thumb and play the others together. We hear this kind of thing a lot, occasionally in classical music, a lot in popular culture. A position. Now, can we do the outer two and the inside one? We don't hear that very often, but it's certainly possible. Let's do something quite different. To E, to G. Sure, that's a very pretty sound. We could separate out the bottom two and do the pinky by itself. So lots of ways to break this in the right hand. If we don't combine any two, and we have them all separated out, there's patterns like this. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Okay, but it's just in a regular old triad position on the white keys. I did vary a little bit. I caught it. Maybe you did too. So we're in C, C, matter if I keep the exact same pattern, but it's a good discipline. I was trying to do this. Every once in a while I varied from it, but it's a good discipline. Try and stay with the same pattern. Now, there's lots of patterns you can create. It could be more like in the A, F, some sort of pulse down here, right? You could also have something rhythmic together. Oh, excuse me, both in A. G. Let's go to C. Back to, or D. But you get the idea. So broken in the right hand, broken triads, and block octaves in the left hand. There's lots of variety. I suspect one of your favorites, though, was when these were breaking going up, and you just had the basic octave holding, like the Moonlight Sonata, right? C, G, to G, E, D, F, D, F, G, A. So, see what you can make of it.